Seeing a spine specialist does not necessarily mean you need surgery. And in fact, the vast majority of my patients actually do not end up having surgery. It's definitely beneficial to see a spine specialist because we can initiate treatments that can help you avoid surgery in the first place. When a patient comes in with either neck or back issues, we often work them up with imaging to identify their problems and start treatments with medications, and then we involve our other colleagues in physical therapy and pain management in order to ideally take care of their issues and avoid surgery. If you are experiencing chronic neck or back pain, it is best to contact one of our spine specialists at CONA so that we can see you, evaluate you, and establish a treatment plan that ideally can help take care of your symptoms and help you avoid surgery and get back to enjoying your life.